you can see our first practice set of this chapter. Here you can see the question, first question, second question, third question. So these are the questions. You have to draw number line, separate number line. For this question you have to draw number line, this question and this question. So I'll explain you one of this, I'll explain you the second one. You try all others. This is the second question of practice set 1.1, first chapter. So let us draw number line of this rational numbers. Now as we have 5, so we will put denominator 5, so we will make a gap of 5. First we will take 0, then you have to put a gap of 5. So pay attention and practice at home. 1 2 3 4 5. So here you will write 1. So here you will write 1. Then after this continue for 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Here you will write 2. So you have to create a gap of 5 points, 5 units. 5 यूनिट का गैप रखना है 1 लिखने पर, फिर 5 यूनिट का गैप रखना है 2 लिखने पर, फिर 5 यूनिट का गैप रखना है 3 लिखने पर. तो 1 2 3 4 5, here 3. And the same way you can write negative numbers on the left side of 0. that is 0 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5. Here you will write -1. Then again 1 2 3 4 5, -2. So this is our number line, but we have to plot this. Our second question number, our second question is 2 upon 5. With the help of 5, denominator 5, we created a gap between 0 and 1. The gap between 0 and 1 can be created by seeing the denominator. As you see the denominator, you can create a proper gap. ठीक है? So let us write all these numbers. You can see 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5. Here where to write 7 upon 5, you have to count from 0. Count the unit. Don't count these numbers because it has denominator 5. So count the unit. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here you can see this point will be our answer, that is 7 upon 5. Here 7 upon 5. This is our answer. Here you can write 7 upon 5 by counting the units. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Very easy and simple. You can do at home. Then second we have to write -2 upon 5. -2 upon 5. So because it has negative sign, we will go on the negative side. From here 0, we will count -2. So -1 and -2. Here you can see -2, but it has, this is not the same number. This -2 has a denominator 5, and this -2, where I had a thumb, this -2 has denominator. This don't have denominator. This -2 is not on the base of unit. -2, here we want -2 upon 5. -2 upon 5. We have denominator 5, denominator 5. So we have to count from 0. That is -1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. This point will be minus 2 upon 5. So here we got the point. We have to write it minus 2 upon 5. This is our next answer. This is how we have to plot this point on the number line. Next, minus 4 upon 5. Now we have to write minus 4 upon 5. So from 0 it is negative, so we'll count on the left side 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will be, this point will be our answer. So here we can brought it down and keep a box and write minus 4 upon 5. So here we got minus 4 upon 5. These are all the points. Let us name this point. Point A is 7 upon 5. Point B is minus 2 upon 5. And point C, this point C is minus 4 upon 5. So this is the how we have to draw this number line. So you can expand this number line. You have to write up to 2 or minus 2. You can write it more clearly. So try and practice this practice set at home. And next, observe the number line and answer the question. Here are question. You have to read this question and find the answer from the above number. Which number is indicated by point B? So here you have a point B. So see the point B. First of all, find the denominator. What is the denominator? So from 0 you have to count up to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the gap is of 4 units, means denominator is 4. The denominator is 4. Then you have to write what is a point B denote. B. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here you will get at the point B, you will find minus 10. Minus 10 upon 4. So this from B, for B answer will be minus 10 upon 4. From here you have to count. Next, which point indicate the number 1, 3 upon 4? You have to solve this. You can get this in a improper fraction. We have in mixed number. You can get this in improper fraction like this. 4 multiplying this number and adding this. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 in this way. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 upon 4 in this way. So now you have to write 7 upon 4. So this is the number line. Get the 7 upon 4 on this number line. So here you can find 7 upon 4. So where is 7 upon 4? You have to count from here. 0 के बाद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 upon 4 will be here. 7 upon 4. So C is the point. Here your answer will be C. This is your answer. Next, state whether the statement the point D denote the number 5 upon 2. So here you have to know about the D. What is the number line? What is the number? What is the rational number on D? So we'll count from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 upon 4. What is this? 10 upon 4. So we have 5 upon 2, but cancellation will bring you the answer. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So it is true that point D has 5 upon 2. This is true. So our answer is true because D has 5 upon 2 rational number. By cancellation get the answer. Hope you have learned properly. If you have any doubts, please comment me on the comment box and wait for our next video. Practice at home. Take care. Bye.